Hey guys, Lewis over here at Martial Artistry. Today we are going to be making this here tumbler. And we're going to be starting with some craft paint from Walmart. $2 paint. Alright, and we're back. We loaded up a little bit of our metallic zinc paint. We're going to lay down a base coat right quick. We'll be right back with you guys here as soon as we're done. Alright guys, we're back. We laid in the base coat. Now we've kind of laid out an area where we want to put our design. I'm getting ready to back color it in with white so that the design will stand out. I only do this so that the design will stand out on top of this base color. If I don't, it kind of blends in and I just don't like that look for mine. Nothing too crazy here. Most all of this will get covered up with other color, but it helps me. For this particular design, we are going to be using a temporary tattoo. I'm going to kind of fast track over that process in another video. For this video, we're just going to skip over that and get right to it. Alright, we're back guys. We laid our tattoo on. I'm so glad I did it off camera because we struggled a little bit, but we got it on there. We're going to add some color. This one is a transparent color so that it'll get darker with each pass. We are, as always, using Creos paints, 4011 reducer. This one's a custom mix, so I can't really tell you what the ratio is because it's got kind of a cocktail of transparent base, 4011, 4050, all mixed in one. I need this to perform a certain way, so I'm just trying to get some of these little curved detail spots so I can show you what I'm doing. Again, I made this custom mix because I need the control, again, as usual. We talked in the last video about that. We will be going over this with a little darker blue. Just a couple of drops of bright blue and some transparent base. Once you get going, it goes pretty quickly. Okay guys, this got a little long and redundant, so I figured I would go ahead and fast forward through this. If you like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. Share with a friend that might enjoy this content. We'll be coming up with part 2 first thing tomorrow. I hope you guys all have a good day.